Alright, this is a 125 Yamaha Breeze. Damn thing won't start. I had some wiring issues when I got it. I had to replace the whole wiring harness and voltage regulator. And the light generator that's down in here, that needed replaced. That was all fried. Well, I got all that replaced and I get power. I can turn my key on now without blowing a fuse, and it wants to start. But I don't know what the hell. There's liquid down in that one a little bit. Can't really see it, but there's liquid down in there. It's probably gas. I don't know. Nope, that's oil. Oh, there's oil in there. Oil in that one too. This is what it does. You give it gas, give it a little gas, it goes chug, 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 like it's gonna start. Sometimes it'll backfire. The carb's clean. It's got a new carb on it, or not new, but it's new to me. And I cleaned it out before I put it in. And it also seems like it's spitting gas out the carb in this direction, and it should be spitting it that way into the head. I don't know what the hell it is. It's so frustrating. The carb still needs all new set, needs to be tuned and everything. Somebody can help me out, let me know. Pull this thing off. There's two marks. There's one right there on the chain, and there's one right there on the sprocket. I don't know what the hell that's supposed to mean, but could really use some help. Somebody let me know. There's another YouTuber, he's a mechanic, I guess, and he pretty much sounds like he had the same issue. He figured it out. He said he adjusted his exhaust valve, and I don't have a valve thing or a feeler gauge or anything like that, so I don't fucking know what it's supposed to be. I'm working on getting a feeler gauge and get one of them compression gauges, see what kind of compression I'm working with. If anybody's got any ideas how the hell to fix this damn thing, let me know. Peace out.